Hello kids, welcome to my channel Course Crux Kids. Today we are going to read simple sentences starting with I will. I will. I will means मैं करूँगा या मैं करूँगी. Let's read some sentences now. I will go to school. I will go to school. मैं विद्यालय जाऊंगी. Your turn now. I will take a bath. I will take a bath. मैं स्नान करूंगा. Your turn now. I will buy a toy. I will buy a toy. मैं एक खिलौना खरीदूंगा. Your turn now. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. मैं आपका इंतजार करूंगा. Your turn now. I will eat my food. I will eat my food. मैं अपना खाना खाऊंगा. Your turn now. I will help you. I will help you. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा. Your turn now. I will comb my hair. I will comb my hair. मैं अपने बाल कंघी करूंगी. Your turn now. I will follow the rules. I will follow the rules. मैं नियमों का पालन करूंगा. Your turn now. I will wash my hands. I will wash my hands. मैं अपने हाथ धोऊंगी. Your turn now. I will read this book. I will read this book. मैं यह किताब पढ़ूंगी. Your turn now. I will clean my room. I will clean my room. मैं अपने कमरे की सफाई करूंगा. Your turn now. I will play the guitar. I will play the guitar. मैं गिटार बजाऊंगा. Your turn now. I will wake up early. I will wake up early. मैं जल्दी उठ जाऊंगा. Your turn now. I will watch a movie. I will watch a movie. मैं एक फिल्म देखूंगा. Your turn now. I will do exercise daily. I will do exercise daily. मैं हर रोज व्यायाम करूंगा. Your turn now. I will listen to my teacher. I will listen to my teacher. मैं अपनी अध्यापिका की बात सुनूंगी. Your turn now. I will play with my friends. I will play with my friends. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलूंगा. Your turn now. I will go with my mother. I will go with my mother. मैं अपनी माँ के साथ जाऊंगी. Your turn now. I will study for my exams. I will study for my exams. मैं अपनी परीक्षाओं के लिए पढ़ाई करूंगी. Your turn now. I will clean my teeth properly. I will clean my teeth properly. मैं अच्छी तरह से अपने दांत साफ करूंगी. Your turn now. Well done, kids. You all did a great job. Kids, now you can revise all these sentences together in one go. Read these sentences one by one yourself by pausing this video. Amazing, kids! You have successfully learned the sentences starting with I will. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, you can visit the links given in the description below. Thank you.